Holy sock?
A sock with a hole in it!
Oh, that is a sleazy sock puppet named Stinky Stinkeltoes.
What's the purpose of that?
Stinky Stinkeltoes' purpose is to be your best friend.
Dirty sock puppet? Ugh, gross.
There's still a My Two Earthlings mystery drink. And there's still some in it.
Come on, we'll clean this stuff up later.
Okay, let's go, guys.
Stinky is alive.
Guys, we came home from the hotel. I don't see anyone in our house, but I don't know. Dad, do you see anyone?
No, I don't see anyone. All I see is the junk still in our driveway.
Gross.
All right.
Guys, as far as we know, there could be 100 people in our house. The cat lady, Grandpa, Dinkleberry, list goes on. Let's hurry up, guys. Let's go.
I don't see anyone in there. All right, Mom, are you ready to do this? Kids,
I'm a little nervous.
kids, stay out here. All right.
Come on, Dad, be careful. Please come out alive.
Yeah.
I hope so.
All right.
Otherwise, call 911 if you don't see us in 10 minutes.
Yeah, if we don't come out in 10 minutes, just wait longer. No, just kidding. Call 911. But call from the neighbor's house. Don't go inside there.
Okay, sounds good.
You ready, Mom?
Yes, I'm
We
ready.
wish you the
All
best
right.
of luck.
All right, guys. Yeah, just pick up this mess. We'll be back in a minute.
Sorry.
Come on, Mom.
Hi, baby. My name is Stinky Stinkeltoes. Ew, it smells.
Stinky Stinkeltoes.
Vivian, did you hear that? Yeah.
I can see you.
Probably you should get it off. Yeah. I can't.
You'll never
Really,
get rid
I
of
can't.
me.
Vivian, can you help? Sure. It's so hard that way.
Stinky's stuck forever.
We gotta get Dad. Dad,
All right, kids. The house is secure.
Dad, this
What?
I have a sock puppet. It won't come off.
What?
It's stuck
Get
on
that
me.
disgusting. That was in
I
our
can't.
driveway.
I can't. It's stuck.
Who you calling
Ma-
disgusting?
Quit goofing around. Come on.
Dad,
And
really?
you guys, and they didn't even clean up.
That's disgusting. Why do you put that?
Bradley, what are you doing?
I can't help it. It's sticky.
Stinky loves garbage.
That's garbage.
Bradley!
What are you doing?
If you're not gonna take that sock off, get outside.
It's not my fault. It's stinky. Come on. Why won't anyone believe me?
Vivian, come here. Viv, what do you think? Look at what he did.
Just got garbage everywhere.
Viv, do you think he's faking it?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
totally.
What do you think,
Come
Mom?
on now. A sock is stuck on his hand. Really?
Well, Viv, just so Bradley's not alone and doesn't feel bad, go outside and play with him, okay?
Okay.
Guess
Mom
I'll
and I
clean
are
the
gonna have to
trash.
clean up this mess. Goodness.
I can't believe no one believes me about this stupid
You and
thing.
Stinky friends forever.
No, I'm not gonna be friends with you. Dad made me play with you. Do you want to play rock, paper, scissors, shoot or something? Yeah. Bradley, I'm not playing with you with that dirty sock puppet on your hand. Fine, I'll play with my left hand, okay? Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Stinky beats rock.
No, Stinky doesn't beat rock. Let's try it again, okay? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Stinky beats paper.
No, Stinky does not beat paper. Quit it. Well, let's do it one final time. Paper, scissors, shoot.
Stinky beats paper.
Oh no! Come on, Stinky. Bradley, I'm not playing with you anymore. Aw, come on! It's not my fault. Mom and Dad won't help me. Vivian won't help me. I got a plan. Come on, buddy, you can know. Get this gross thing off me. Pete, you're not helping. Yeah, just do it. Peanut, you're not helping. Come on, help it. Butter, it's doing. You got this. You got it. Pull this. Get this stinky thing off of me. This is no use. They're not gonna get it. And it's just not working. just like it.
Stinky made us stinky.
Hey kids, do you want a snack?
Yeah. Yeah. Twinkies, I love.
Not the best snack, but this is all I got.
Twinkies are my favorite. Me too.
Oh, Twinkie.
Stinky, that's my Twinkie.
Stinky
Quit it.
loves Twinkies.
Stinky, you get no Twinkies. Stinky, stop it.
That's Stinky's Twinkie. Stinky Twinkie.
No, not my Twinkie. Stinky, you ruined everything. Ha ha ha. Stinky's not getting this Twinkie.
Stinky Twinkie.
Bradley! That was not my fault. It was Stinky's. Come on. Why is everyone blaming on me?
Stinky's Twinkie.
I'm sorry, Viv. It was Stinky. Look at him. He ate it all.
Stinky loves Twinkies.
Oh, come on, Stinky. You're the worst. You ruined my life. I just want a Twinkie. Stinky! I was watching that!
Stinky hate you two.
Bradley, get that disgusting sock off your hand and get it away from your sister. It's gross.
Dad, I can't!
You can't take that sock off.
No way.
Would you like me to take it off for you?
Yes, Dad, please, be my guest!
Get it off. This thing is really stuck. Ow! Bit me. Did you bite me?
No! Of course not.
Stinky stay.
Really?
Oh, Dad, I think you made him mad.
I don't let a stinky sock puppet boss me around. Get off my son!
Stinky the boss.
Mom!
Stinky the
I don't
boss.
think Bradley's joking.
Stinky the boss.
Call a doctor!
What kind of doctor removes evil sock puppets from someone's hand?
Any kind of doctor will do!
Search for a doctor. Any doctor will do.
Whatever any doctor will do, please call Dr. Quackenstein.
From start to finish,
Dr. McQuackenstein.
has been a pleasure to work with, and I would highly recommend
Dr. McQuackenstein.
to anyone.
I have been practicing medicine for 32 minutes.
Thank you again for everything.
Dr. McQuackenstein.
Okay, I guess I'll try this guy.
I've done many surgeries before, so I made a few mistakes.
Bradley, we're at the doctor's office. Are you sure that you can't get this off?
Yes, Mom, I can't, really!
Okay.
Stinky smell your hair.
Oh, well,
Come on, Stinky!
hopefully Dr. McQuackenstein can help you. He's supposed to be really good.
Hello, I'm Dr. McQuackenbush. No, I'm Mr. Dr. McQuackenstein. Oh, I don't even know my name. So what do we got here, little girl?
I'm a boy!
Oh, so you are.
This is stuck on his hand. We cannot get it off.
Oh,
We've tried everything.
I've seen this before in the medical journals. Oh, I know what we have to do for this. I got just the thing. All right, I got just the tool. Okay, let's amputate. Which leg is it?
It's not my First of all, it's not my legs! Second of all, it's my arm! And please don't cut it off! I think there's a better solution!
No, we have to. I heard about this before.
I really think that's unnecessary, doctor.
No, really. Wait.
No, I think we can try to find a different solution.
Wait a minute. I forgot. We have to gas you.
No. You know what? I think that we're gonna find a second opinion.
No, we're gonna gas him.
No, I don't think that's a good idea.
Oh, really? This is completely harmless.
Here, come here.
Look
honey.
at.
Come here. Oh my goodness. Okay, you know what? We'll be back, Dr. McQuackenstein. Okay. Oh gosh.
No one believes me.
Stinky watches you sleep.
Oh no, I'm not gonna get any sleep tonight! Come on!
Stinky dreams, Bradley.
This is it! I'm done with this thing! I can't handle another Quiet,
You'll
Stinky.
never get rid of Stinky.
If you want something done right, you have to do it yourself. I have a snack for you. Hope you're hungry. 50,000 generic Orbeez. Do you like that, Stinky?
Yes, I do.
Oh my gosh, look at it. It's actually working. Look at it. It feels so weird inside. And cold. Really cold. Oh my gosh, it's working. Look at the size of him. It feels so weird and cold. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's actually working. How do you like that, Stinky?
Stinky don't feel so good.
Gosh, I can barely even hold him. Look at the size of him. Some of the Orbeez aren't even coming out. Yes! I'm free! No more of you, Stinky! Yeah!
Pray for Stinky.
Yeah, good job, kiddo.
Yeah, thank goodness you finally got that stinky sock off your arm.
Good job, bro. You so seriously don't believe me?
Oh, we totally believe him, right, guys? We totally.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Totally.
Evil sock puppet. Believe it.
Whatever, I'm going outside to play.
I don't know, guys. I think Bradley was faking it the whole time.